Hi, I'm Ms. Falgione. I'm the Sports and Entertainment Marketing 1 and 2 teacher at Jackbird High School. I'm the Decade Advisor and Chess Club Advisor. I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and have been an avid sports fan my whole life. I graduated from IUP with both a bachelor's and master's in education for marketing. I'm an animal lover and have two cats who own me. Let's talk about Sports and Entertainment Marketing 1. How many of you play a sport? You know the rules of the game. In this class, we're going to learn about the business that occurs behind the scenes of the sports and entertainment industry and how they make money to become the third largest industry in North Carolina. We will study branding, licensing, endorsements, naming rights, sponsorships, and much more. Sports and Entertainment Marketing 2 Honors is the second level course. Students in this course act as the managers of the industry. We cover topics such as governing bodies, legal issues, sports agents, merchandising sales, special events, sponsorships, agreements, and much more. This is an honors course for honors credit. The focus is more on a management level where the students are making management decisions. General information. We use labs, which are industry made on various topics in the field. These are located online through the Canvas course. Supplies are basic pens, paper, folder, binder, and other craft materials as needed for projects. Syllabus and parent forms. On the first day, I will assign parent homework, asking parents to introduce their child to me via email and complete a Google form about the syllabus and other demographic information. This can be found on the student's first day instruction module. This is vital to my success as your child's teacher. Remote learning expectations. Students should have a quiet workspace that is convenient for completing assignments. Daily attendance is expected. Students should log into their class a few minutes early to ensure easy entry. Students are expected to participate in all assignments. At no time, unless directed, should students have cell phones. There should be no messaging of any type nor any form of distractions during the instructional day. All work for the week is due Sunday unless specified differently. It is imperative to keep up with all assignments. Students will meet for class in their Google Meet at their scheduled time and log into Canvas. Students can expect group and independent assignments, instructional videos, lectures, and other teaching techniques each week. Contact information for me. The best way to contact me is at my email, Tiffany Falgione, TIFFANY at ccs.k12.nc.us. My tutoring hours are Thursday from 2:45 to 3:45. I use a program called Remind 101. This keeps all phone numbers confidential and allows students to message me on my cell phone to ask me questions, and I can respond back to them. A record of conversation is kept on the program for safety purposes. I can also send group messages to students and parents to remind them of deadlines or other information. If you would like to join Remind 101 and stay up to date on class and be able to ask questions, send a text to 81010 with the following codes for your student's class. You must put the @ symbol in front of the code. This is a changing time for all of us, and we're going to be learning as we go. Remote learning is hard, and it's not the best for everyone. But we're going to be patient with each other and operate on Brad Johnson's quote: relationships before rigor, grace before grades, patience before program, and love before lessons. This is new to us all, and we're all in this together. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.